This is Emilio, and this is a Kofinas baby. Mm-hmm. So when my partner and I decided that we were ready to have children, we knew that we wanted to seek some help, from our doctors, since we're a same-gender couple. And my OBGYN suggested a series of tests, and we found out that I had a series of fibroids that were multiple and big. I never knew that I had fibroids, but I kind of suspected due to a few symptoms. They were more fibroids and they were bigger than anticipated. Our experience at Kofinas was amazing. We had never had to have any surgical interventions. I had never had any surgical interventions. So the fact that I was going to get surgery and a couple of other procedures was a little nerve-wracking. But from the first moment, the staff, was very, very friendly. All the providers, all the doctors, they were just, very approachable. They were very warm, and we just loved our provider, Dr. Montes. So she was very reassuring since, day one. And I had, some complications in terms of, the fibers that needed to be removed, and they were bigger. So she made sure that I felt very comfortable, that I knew what the procedures that were going to take place, and also explained very well the rest of the procedures that would have to take place in order for us to be able to have our child. So when we first arrived at the Kofinas Center, we were nervous for a number of reasons. First, because, even though we knew a little bit about the procedures, we weren't really sure what is it that was going to entail, but also because we are a same-gender couple. And, sometimes provider may have some difficulty dealing with, diverse families. And one of the things that we found out very early on was that all the staff was incredibly affirming and supportive. That there was also a diversity in terms of cultures, in terms of languages that were also spoken by the staff. And that really made us feel like, it was a place, that, could help us build our home, because it really felt like home.
The whole journey at Kofinas Fertility Clinic was a very good experience. I would always recommend that. It was easier than I thought. It was, even when things weren't that easy, for me personally, having to go through different procedures, I always felt comfortable with the doctors and with the staff. And thanks to them, it didn't really feel like a doctor's facility. It felt more like a different home from my home. So that was really, really good.